Hey traders, today is Monday, and here we are with the London open. Let's see where I can plot these fibs again. How did it open? Now you can see really nothing going on here. See this? It's just going in a sideways motion or in a tight. Oops. We have a coming down here. So we do have a. Let me see here. This one we're looking for. Hit the high. Did we establish a low here? Probably not. Okay. Let me plot this correctly now. I see we hit the low down here. See that? See this big wick? Wow. So it did go down. It went down, went back up. We hit that high. So now what happens? We hit that high here. We broke it. So now we're coming back down. Okay. So here. Since we broke that high, this will come back down here. Our low will be here. And there we are. Now, if this is going to break up here again, we're going to plot this differently, going to the upside. But I kind of see where this kind of ended here during the Friday session. It ended up, let's see where I can find this now. So basically it came down, went back up right there. See this? It went up. I see. Right here is the high going up. Okay, so it did go up. I'm sorry, let me plot this again. It did go up from here all the way up to here, right? So now it came back down here. Now we're going to hit that target up there. That's why. Okay, I had to plot that differently. I had to look at what was the price action. So this is where we're at. Okay. That's where we're at. Right now we're at +1 deviation around there. Not even past it, you can see. So if I'm looking at it this way, on this one, on the 1 minute chart, yeah, I only plot it on the 5 minute. I want to see what the 5 minute was doing. So this is where we're at. We're hitting the high here. Original high. Came back down here. You can see here on the 5 minute. It did hit this pullback, came back up, didn't quite knock out the extensions, came back down, testing the fib retracements once again. The high is up here in the green, and our target is going to be the red, which is up there, right there. So let's see what's going to happen here based where I can find an entry on the 1 minute chart. You can see here we have an UT on the 5 minute. We have some already signals to the downside. Strong signal here for the UT. Right now we're seeing a decrease. Well, there was an increase here. There's a decrease in demand. Same so far right there as well. We get a stooge. A stooge is what's it called? Signal right there. Algo signal to the downside. We have it up here. So our recent one would be this one. And then you can see it's coming back down. You see this, right? Coming back down. This is already coming back down the 1 minute. On the one minute, which I like, you can see the demand is also going down. We're getting some signals here on the MACD BB to the downside. We don't see the one to the upside yet. We have this one, but we want to see another triangle to the upside. That's when we're going to enter. You can see we didn't get past the +1 deviation. So that's where they're holding it right now. See, at least this got passed. Now that would have been entry, would have been teased again back down. So let's see what's going to happen. Get the optimal entry. Right now, it's the entry to the upside, but where we're going to enter, we'll find out. Again, you can see here, we're now increasing in what? In supply. We're decreasing in demand, right? So we'll just wait for a good entry here, which I explained. Again, you see going down here on this is the cumulative, the MBox cumulative delta on the 1 minute. Here we can see it's arranging. It's basically just squeezing going on here. But here we're still going to have a strong up move here in the 5 minutes. So see, we have the signals here in the 5 minute. However, you see the decrease in demand from original high 136. It was decreasing from 175 to 136. We're now getting these down algo signals to the downside. The strong one is the UT, which is an up thrust. So let's wait for a good trade setup here.
Order submitted.
So here we have a total control dot. You see how they do this? They tease you with this wick. They bring it back up. Some of those who wanted to enter here now are in some type of drawdown. You can see here what it did. It didn't really reach this low here. It didn't really break this swing here. So there is a propensity that may go up, but right now I see this. You see the decrease here in the 5 minute. Same thing here. You do have a signal there in the 5 minute. Again, it's not closing yet, so we'll determine it may break here. Look at this. Let's see if it's going to break this swing. I don't think there's much volatility. Why? Because if I measure here, from here to here, yeah, 8.25. I want to see it around more than 10. See, another wick is teasing you here. It's being rejected. This indicates a strong buying imbalance. That's what it's saying. No, what I like about this now, you see now it's looks like it's going to come down now. We have the cumulative delta here also cooperating with this cumulative delta to the downside. However, we do have a big pullback here. That's why I don't enter it right away. See, look at this. Now we have a controlling dot there to the upside. That's strong. You see here in the 1 minute, it's really decreasing in the cumulative delta as well. But I think we're just going to be in a range here. I cannot arrange it from here to here. That's what it is. Take this out.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled.
So you can see here, I entered it too early. Here's the entry here. We have a controlling dot, but entered here would not be in this trade where I'm getting a drawdown, right? So hopefully this comes down, hits this and comes down. Let's see. We do have some triple algos going to the downside. We have this controlling dot, and we also have this right here, another signal to the downside. We would have the down signal right here from this one. So we do have the two. Now we have this one, the triple algo. Now let's see what is, hopefully comes down. Again, I kind of entered this too early. Should have been down here. That's why. So we're having a deep pull back here, pulled back all the way down to the blue line here. Let's see if it gets down to the green. This is going to test the low here of the day. So let me do this. Let me bring this up. I don't want to incur any losses here. Right. So right there. So we have this now. It looks like it's going to start going back up. It hit the deep pullback to the blue line. Maybe I should just bring this. Where is that? So if this comes back down, we can do another Fibonacci on this run. So let me see here. Strong one to the downside. Back up there. There it is. Pulled back to the Fibonacci retracement. So I'm looking at maybe down here somewhere. Oops. See this? Maybe down here somewhere. Let's see. Okay, it finally got down there. I'm just on this run. Now it looks like we might be heading down and doing a reversal or start a new trend here once it breaches this white line, and I had to reset the Fibonacci's. If it breaches this white line, then we are definitely heading down. And that's all I needed. $25 points there on one contract. Yeah, 170. And like I said, I'll take that. Especially the way market is moving right now, really slow. Really slow. Again, if this breaches this white line here, we are no longer having an uptrend. We're going to be reversing back to the downtrend. Okay, that's about it. Because once it hits this one, it's going to pull back. And the way when the market is moving, I'm not going to wait. It's already what we already had, maybe what, close to an hour, maybe 45 minutes trading. So I'll take that, less than an hour. You can see this. Where can you make that type of job where you can make 310 to 330? That's around 20 minutes, 170.50. So you're looking at that at per hour. You're making more than $170.50. What type of job can you make over $100, close to over 170 an hour? Okay, so I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. And stay safe. God bless. And I will see you guys. Take care. Be profitable, Waldo. Hopefully you were in this session. Take care.